Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece of ours. It is a Boston Whaler 2025 13 Super Sport. As you can see, we have it equipped in the light blue hull color, paired beautifully with a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have a Mercury 4-stroke 40 horsepower engine that powers this. This is the max engine capacity for this boat. Here at the back we have two small swim platforms, both with teak accents. On the port side here you do have a 4-step ladder that allows you to get deep into the water and get back up on the boat as well. As we move forward, I would like to point out the bimini top as well. So you have coverage from the stern of the boat, almost the engine, all the way up to the helm as well. Several additional options that are available seating wise in this boat. Currently we just have it outfitted in the standard version. Do have a nice seating area up here in the front with a large anchor locker as well. You do have this cleat with the navigation light up on the bow of this boat. Then included in this boat is this single axle trailer with the spare tire as well. And I would also like to point out here at the helm we do have some more storage up in the front here that is drained as well. If you'd like to learn more about this or any of the other inventory pieces that we have here at MarineMax Charleston, please feel free to check us out online at marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed and thanks for watching.